So, very good morning to one and all. And myself, I am Dr. R. Joseph Paul, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Engineering. Today, we are going to discuss about the importance of the probability and the statistics in computer science. So, the probability and the statistics, which plays a vital role in the computer science field, which is the critical roles of the probability and the statistics in the field of computer science, which presents the vital role in the area of computer science. So we know that the statistics is nothing but a collections of data. Similarly, in the computer science we have so many data which can be incorporated to find its outputs. So the probability is nothing but its occurrence, the possibilities which we are discussing. So the introduction to the probabilities and the statistics. What is probability? It's nothing but it's a occurrence of chances. That is, we are going to deal with the possibilities. That's we are saying it as study of chances of the events occurs in the likelihoods, that it can be a 50-50 possibilities of. So what is mean by statistics is nothing but, already we have discussed, it's nothing but it's a collections of data and we are analyzing it to have a outputs of the data. So what is the difference between the probability and the statistics? Probability is nothing but we are dealing with the chances. In the statistics we are dealing with the collections of data. So what are the historical that's content we have in the probabilities? So early days we were discussing about the roots and the mathematical logics. And the third, we are rising to computations of problem, that is we are analyzing the problems. In the modern era we are learning the probabilities, the chances of the probabilities in the machine learning and by artificial intelligence. So in the early days we were discussing the probabilities and the statistics by collecting the data or by the occurrence or by the logic values. And in the second stage we have started processing the data and we have started analyzing it. Now we are making the foundations of the data, which is nothing but to have our learning in the new era like a machine learning and artificial by collecting the data. So the key concepts of the probability, what are the key concepts? One is experiment, second one is outcomes, and third one is events. So first, when we start the probability, we are making some experiment, that is we are doing some actions to have some outputs, that is called as an experiment. So what is outcomes? Outcomes is nothing but the results of the experiment, that is what the possible results we are getting from our experiments. It's called as outcomes. What is event? Event is nothing but a specific outcomes, that is the specific outcomes. What is the meaning of specific outcomes? We expect what we need, it's called as the events. So these are the three vital role to be understood to know about the probability. The probability, first we are doing its experiment and its outcomes and its events. Experiments we are saying it's a certainty of outcomes, and outcomes we are saying the possibility of results. Events we are saying it is a specific outcomes. And the key of the statistics. So here we are dealing with the three vital meaning. One is mean, second one is median, third one is mode. What does it mean by median? Median is nothing but the average value of the data. We are finding the, we are collecting some data. That is what statistics means. We are collecting the data and we are finding its average value. It's called as the mean. What is a median? We are finding the middle value of the collected data. It's called as the mean. So we have some middle value, it's nothing but we'll have some central point to be calculated from the collected data. What is mode? It's nothing but we have collected the data and in that we are finding the frequent value which is occurred in the data. Example, suppose if we are collecting some 10 datas and if we have a repeated numbers or repeated elements or repeated value in that. So the mode, its meaning is how many times the value it is repeated in the collected data. It's called as a mode. So these are the 3 points which deals with the statistics. That's to be find. Okay. And so data analytics of interface, we are saying it's the data collection, data cleaning, and data explorations and data interpretations. And the machine learning, we are saying it is a training, predictions, and evaluations are the 3 processes which comes in the machine learning. And these are the algorithms of the statistical problem: input of data, model collections, model training, and predictions. And thank you. So next we'll see some other topics in our discussion. Thank you.